Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brenspeed. Guess what? It's Shark Week. No, Doug and I was just joking about that. Hey, thanks for watching Brenspeed TV. It's not Shark Week. I have a 15 GT with a shark front end. I've never seen anything like that before. It's kind of growing on me. I wasn't sure at first. So hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify. We're gonna watch a dyno pull of this thing laying down 700 rural horsepower. It's got the Novi 2200 supercharger. And if you wonder, hey, I have some more questions about this car, you can check the description. I will put links to those parts. Doug, let's go check out the engine compartment. Okay, we're gonna go down and check out the engine. Story on this is, I believe this client bought the car used, already had most of these parts on it. But Doug, let's go down and take a look. Tell you what we have, what we've done. But it does have the black Novi 2200 supercharger, one of my all-time favorites. We did install a set of the comp cams, max effort blower cams. The car already had a 4 fuel system on it, so that's really good. I think in the future, you know, this thing's set up for E85. Right now it's 93 octane. We did install billet oil pump gears, cooling mods. We got the rear cylinder head cooling kit, the large radiator. So that's pretty much it on this engine compartment right here. It's a 3/6 pulley. Check out this dyno pull. All right, a couple things I didn't mention. You might have noticed looking at the engine compartment, 18 manifold. Something you couldn't see, it already had a set of long tube headers on it. And we did use ID 1050X fuel injectors. The car's set up for E85 in the future. I hope it gets it, but right now it's sitting at 700 rural horsepower, 7,400 RPM. That's on our DynoJet rated SAE. Torque came in 500 to the tires, peaking at 5,700 RPM. So that's a really good place to be on 93 octane fuel. I would like to see more boost in this, just some E85. Take advantage of the fuel system that's on it and the big fuel injectors. Doug, one more look. So 15 GT, it's got a lot going on. Does have some cool wheels. Man, it's got the spikes back here. King Kong. Takes a while when you're looking at this to kind of look at everything it has going on. So hey, I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks for watching. You can email quote@brenspeed.com to see, hey, what's it cost to get something installed. And again, check that description. Leave a comment if you like. We're happy to answer. Have a good day.